Hi, this is Taylor with Married to English, and these affirmations are built to help you start your day off right by feeling good about setting personal English learning goals involving your career. Listen to this when you need a little boost, and don't be afraid to listen to this every day or write down your favorites. Make this a part of your new morning routine and listen to this as you wake up, so these affirmations become part of your subconscious. As I speak each affirmation, repeat them out loud or in your mind. Let's get started. I am confident in my ability to set and achieve personal learning goals. I have the skills and knowledge necessary to excel in my career. I am dedicated to continuous learning and improvement. I am capable of effectively communicating with native English speakers. I am motivated to reach my full potential in my career. I am confident in my ability to understand and respond to clients and coworkers. I am worthy of success and recognition in my career. I am committed to developing strong professional relationships. I am capable of adapting to challenging situations at work. I am confident in my ability to overcome any language barriers. I am focused and determined to achieve my career goals. I am constantly improving my English language skills. I am capable of expressing my ideas and opinions clearly and confidently. I am deserving of opportunities for growth and advancement in my career. I am skilled at effectively managing my time and prioritizing tasks. I am confident in my ability to handle any work-related challenges that come my way. I am continuously expanding my vocabulary and improving my grammar. I am confident in my ability to understand and follow workplace instructions. I am capable of delivering impactful presentations in English. I am dedicated to building my professional network and connecting with native English speakers. I am confident in my ability to contribute valuable ideas and insights at work. I am worthy of receiving praise and recognition for my hard work and achievements. I am committed to seeking feedback and learning from constructive criticism. I am capable of effectively collaborating with coworkers from diverse backgrounds. I am confident in my ability to negotiate and communicate professionally in English. I am dedicated to expanding my knowledge and staying updated in my industry. I am worthy of opportunities for career growth and advancement. I am capable of showcasing my skills and expertise during interviews. I am confident in my ability to thrive in a professional English-speaking environment. I am committed to setting and achieving ambitious career goals. Great job! Thanks for listening, and we'll see you again tomorrow.